You got a bolt to the right and a bolt to the rear to remove. That's on a bracket. I unplugged this harness right here. Small harness. Pinch and pull back. Right there. And this is out of the way. After you get your clamp off right here. Big round clamp. Again, taking these out. They kind of stay in place once you get them out. There's one here. And you're ready to come forward. I'm going to lift it up and work it off this bracket in the back end here. Without taking a lot of stuff off, if you can get in this corner, slide this piece of foam out the way, and your sensors right there. Zoom in. And this one takes a T30. And they come in all shapes and sizes, different tool shapes. Slide it. Make sure your battery's unplugged when you're doing this. Got it broken loose. You can get it out of there. It's pretty long. Once you get it loose, you can work it with your fingers. And pull it straight up. Get this harness off. Wire connector. Pull it back. Get the flathead screwdriver, see if I can get that back. Okay. Got that out the way. Can finish pulling up here. It's a pretty long little bolt here. Get all the way up. Go ahead and take it out. Here we go. And there's your sensor. Just gonna switch them out. I want to make sure they match up. This is the new one. This is the original one. They have this one. This is the new one, the original one. This one has a takes a T40, and this one takes a whole different bit. But the T40 it fits in there. I'm sorry, the T30 fits in there. But this is the Star boat. I'm going to go into my kit, and this one right here fits the new boat. Like this size of it is worn out, but you can buy these cheap set at Harbor Freight. Conversely, to replacing the position sensor here, this one was purchased at O'Reilly's. It's my old one, the new one. The part number on this one E0053. But the part number for the new one is PC950. It just says standard from O'Reilly's. Let me get ready to put the going to install the new one in without taking a lot of stuff off. Again, I'm going to slide it down in there, line up where the boat goes. Get it in there, put the harness back on. See if I have an electrical spray. I don't think so. Let's go see. Take and snug it down. There's a ton in here. Feels really loose. Cut it by hand here. Now I can tighten it down. Okay. Get my harness back in there. Heard it click. Good to go. And we're just going to reassemble, but not very much. So take and make sure everything's lined back up, make sure nothing falls down. Make sure it's lined back up. Starting from the rear. Make sure the phone is back in place. Everything looks good. and reverse the process. Okay. I need to cut this back down. Back connected. Plug back in. Should be good to go. Like we're back in business.